Now I'm here in America with questions on my mind. The photos on the wall show faces I can't name, and every time I call, it don't feel quite the same. Why so far away from where my heart belongs? Why so far from the place that made me strong? I'm searching for something I can't explain. Why so far? Why so far from home again? Friends talk about their grandparents, the hugs and Sunday meals, while I count time zones in my head to know what Papa feels.